Hi everyone, Brian Schroeder here for BS Grub Grilling and Smoking. Hope you've had a great day and maybe you're getting home right now relaxing a little bit. And if you can either listen to this or watch it later. But today I'm bringing you one heck of a chili. I like to call it the magic bean chili. We're starting out with a little garlic salt, a little cumin. This is Granny's fresh roasted peppers here. We have a nice yellow pepper and orange pepper. Don't go for the green as much, as the green is actually in the sauce already. A couple Roma tomatoes, some sweet onions, Bob Evans Italian sausage. Straight from Detroit, we have Vivio's steak and barbecue sauce, along with a special blend of about 6 different sauces that'll go in. We have some red beans, some white beans, and of course the chili mix in the corn. Well, I'm going to wash my hands, get ready to go here, and bring you some good cooking. Okay, so I've got the Bob Evans sausage in here. I like to use the Bob Evans sausage as it's not as spicy. If you want a little more spicy, there's different sausages you can go to. This seems to be a pretty consistent and not as greasy sausage. And I want to chop it up about as fine as I can. So I'm cooking it just on a slightly higher medium to get this process rolling. So as you can see, it is nice and chopped up here. The nice thing about this chili is it doesn't take very long. I've worked a full day today, went and coached, came back, and I'm actually making this for our chili cook-off tomorrow at school. So I'm pretty excited as only one of my colleagues have tasted it. So, 6:30, I should be done with this about 7 o'clock. And the greatest thing is, then it's going in the smoker at 225 for 2 hours. All right. I've done all the prep work, and I think we're about ready to get this chili rolling. So I have cut up the sweet onion and the orange pepper, the yellow pepper, and actually a fresh Roma tomato. And some of you might be saying, well, you already have stewed roasted tomatoes, so why are you using that? Well, I like a little fresh tomato in my chili. So we're going to take that right now, and so I have just a quarter of an onion in there. I have a half of the orange pepper. I have 1 full Roma tomato. So half of the yellow pepper, half of the orange pepper. Next, we're going to take a full can, 32-ounce can, with the juices. That's all going right inside there. Use a spatula to clean that bad boy out. Get all the dripping goodness. Use the can of the chili beans here. This one is a little bit spicier. Now we're going with a little white beans. If you notice the different colors that I have in here, it really makes for an incredible chili as far as the presentation when you're finished. If you're serving it as a special occasion, you can put a little parsley on top with a little cheddar cheese. And this really, really looks nice when you're done. Here comes Granny's tomatoes, and with a little green pepper in there. So I don't like to use fresh green pepper in my chili. I do like to use the stewed green pepper. I'm going with a full can of corn, and all the juices. My special barbecue sauce, which is a little concoction of about 6 different sauces. A little mild, a little heat. I have 2 tablespoons of cumin, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic salt. That's going right on the top there. And last but not least, since we are from Michigan, we're going with the Vivio steak and burger sauce just to give it a little zazz. I'm going to put half a bottle in there. Just kind of eye it up a little bit. That looks good. We're going to set this on high heat to get it to a boil. And last but not least, here comes the secret recipe. Today, I'm going with the Stone Farkin Wheat Wootenstout. You always have to put a little bit of beer inside your chili. So, a little for the chili, and a little for me. Mmm. That's no BS right there. That's some good stuff. We're going to let this get nice and hot, and then we're going to put it in a pan, get ready for the smoker. See you in a minute. Music to my ears is that alarm. The tough part is over, and now it's time for some fun. So I boiled the chili until it became rolling. I was stirring as it went. Then I simmered it for another 15 minutes. I've turned the heat off. As you can see, it's a nice, thick, okay, it has a little bubbly on the top. And the only thing I'm waiting for now is on my ThermoPro 20 is for the temperature to get to 225. It's at 112 right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in the chili into the pan. I'm going to use my Aries hot gloves here, the high heat gloves. I always recommend using some sort of high heat gloves so you don't burn your hand. These handles right now are very hot as it is. And so I'm going to pour it in there. And then when the temperature gets to 225, we're going to take you outside, throw a little apple wood on the smoker, and away we'll go. Hi there and welcome back. You can see this is my Masterbuilt gas smoker. As a guy who works every day for a living, I don't always have the luxury of filming in a studio. So this is my Masterbuilt. I have it built up on stilts so I can barbecue during the winter time. It's a great option. Okay, I put the beans, the chili recipe inside, so we're good to go there. And you can see my ThermoPro 20 here ready to go. All right, so I'm going to close the door right now. I'm just going to open the bottom one to show you. Got a nice chunk of apple wood right there. And actually, I want to add one more little piece of apple wood down there. Now, a normal 20 does not have lava rocks. I added lava rocks in here to try and adjust the flame. So now we've got the apple wood in there, and we'll close her tight. And we've got this in there, so we'll close her tight. And we'll make sure that I have my monitor on me. And in about 2 hours, we'll come back here and have some good chili. It's incredible. Oh, this is some incredible chili waiting to be eaten right now. I smoked this for 1 hour and 45 minutes. At about 1 hour in, I did stir it around. I am going to put it in a crock pot as we are bringing it to the school, or I am bringing it to the school tomorrow for the chili cook-off. I can't wait to see the people when they eat into this. This, people, is one of the most incredible chilies you will ever have. Give it a chance. If you want the recipe, it'll be at the end of this video. Please follow my channel. And if you like it, give a big thumbs up. If there's anything you would like to see in the future, let me know. From this on, thanks a lot. This is BS, smoking and grilling, and good. This isn't any BS food right here, I'll tell you that. It really is quite spectacular.